Hey guys, I'm back with another Amazon beauty makeup festive haul. So as you guys know, the Great Indian Festival is going on right now and the prices are absolutely amazing. There's so much discounts. Most of the items are 10 to 25% off, so anywhere between 10 to 25, and a lot of items, a lot of my favorite items were 15-20% off, and something which I use on a regular basis, so I repurchased a lot of those. So yes, without further ado, let's quickly get started. If you guys follow my skincare videos or you have seen my shorts or you follow me on Instagram, shameless plug, I'll leave my handle here. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. I repurchased Paula's Choice 2% BHA and 10% azelaic acid, which are my absolute favorites. If you guys follow me, you would know. So all Paula's Choice products are at 15% off currently, which is absolutely amazing. They rarely go on discount, so right now is the perfect time to order Paula's Choice, and I highly recommend these two products from Paula's Choice. Even if you don't get anything else, you should get these two. 2% BHA is absolutely amazing for exfoliation. It is very gentle and perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And if you have acne scars, blackheads, or any pore clogging related problem, this will immediately unclog your pores and dissolve everything. Paula's Choice 2% BHA is raved about by each and every one worldwide, not just in India, and very rightly so. It is one of the best chemical exfoliants in the market. So yeah, this is how it looks, and it lasts really long. My previous one, I still have like a little bit of it left. I just need to use like a chemical exfoliant twice or thrice a week. Like if you have very oily skin or very acne prone skin, thrice a week, that is alternate nights. Otherwise twice a week is enough, so I use it like twice a week, and I still have a little bit of it left, and I'm using it almost since 1.5 years now. Also the 10% azelaic acid, which is another favorite. I love the fact that they came in like this cute ziploc pouches. This is the 10% azelaic acid booster. Now again, this is something which I used for almost 1 year, but this is like 30 ml and this is 118 ml, so obviously this will last you like much longer. This, I think I finished it off in 1 year after using it just like a spot treatment. Like if you see any acne coming, just use this as a spot treatment on it, and it will quickly like settle down and not grow too big, or also the bacteria won't spread. Azelaic acid is an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and it also works on redness, and it also has licorice and salicylic acid, so it will unclog the pores, and it will also lighten any acne marks or scars, so it will not leave any redness also, and it works on acne marks also. So this is amazing. I absolutely love it. I highly recommend the Paula's Choice 10% azelaic acid to everyone. And if this one doesn't fit your budget, I have an alternate option for you. It is the Chemist at Play azelaic acid. I had reviewed this in one of my previous videos, I think last video, and I loved that as well, and that is pretty affordable. When it comes to the strength and the power, I think this will show immediate instant results, so that is what I love about Paula's Choice products. Also, I'll be including all the screenshots of the products here. You can see the original price and the discounted price. So yes, you can get either the Paula's Choice or the Chemist at Play, but if you were looking to buy Paula's Choice anyway, right now is the time to get them at 15% off. Next, I got two Maybelline Fit Me products. Now this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in 230. This is for normal to oily skin. And even though I have like combination skin right now, if you see me sweating, please don't mind it, because the October heat and humidity is crazy in Mumbai. Like this one has clay, and this is perfect for me right now. And also my old Fit Me foundation was like a few years old, and I wasn't using it that much right now because I think it must have expired by now, so I got the smaller tube. Also, I find this smaller tube pretty convenient to carry when you're traveling, or if you want to try out your shade and you're not completely sure of your shade. This is a good size to try. I got the 231, hopefully it matches. And I also got the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. Now I absolutely love the Fit Me loose powder, that is what I use, but the loose powder is not very convenient to carry, as I mentioned. This is in a compact form, so this is very convenient to carry in your bag for touch-ups. And as I mentioned, when I step out, I'm completely drenched. Even for if I'm standing out for just like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I'll be completely drenched right now in Bombay. So yeah, this is how the compact looks like, and I got the shade Warm Nude. I love how handy and compact this is, and I've heard good things about it, so I got this. I got 3 Swiss Beauty products. Now I've done done a previous short video on Swiss beauty products, and it's gone like viral. Even on Pinterest it's viral, and everyone loves Swiss beauty, and I absolutely loved those 3 products. Like this was one of it, the liquid eyeshadow. I got another shade in that. And of course, coming to that, I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys because it's the festive season. So I got 2 of these. So one exact same eyeshadow, it's in the shade Smoky Storm 08, is for the giveaway winner. And I also have the Pixie Correction Concentrate, which I use every single day below my concealer, like to hide the dark circles. It works really well as a corrector. And I have the Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick and the Sugar Kajal. So one winner will win these 4 products. Also, the previous giveaway winner is Shalu Gupta. Congratulations, Shalu. My email ID is mentioned in the info box below. So please send me your complete name and address. And this winner will be announced after 10 days. So yes, don't forget to participate in the giveaway. I was saying I got these 3. This one is for me, and this is the Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is the shade I'm wearing right now. I wanted to try it. This is very similar to the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is the shade N02. It's like a peachy brown color, a peachy color. This will work on all skin types, but it will look beautiful on deeper dusky skin tones. And this is the shade 08, as I mentioned, the liquid glitter eyeshadow. The previous one I got was, I think, the champagne shade, and this is like a smoky gray. This is how it looks. I absolutely love these Swiss Beauty glitter shadows. For $1.99 they are a steal, because I have the Stila ones, and these are very similar to those, surprisingly. For the price, they are absolutely amazing, and you can use them as a topper and you're good to go. You can also use it just in the inner corners. That's what I love doing most of the times when I'm in a hurry, and still you will look put together. So absolutely love this Swiss Beauty liquid glitter shadows. And I also got a Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Now this was very colorful and it instantly attracted like my attention. Hilary Rhoda 16 eyeshadow palette. I love the colors. I love how it has neons and greens and pinks and oranges and basically all colors. So it is absolutely amazing, and it has a mix of matte and shimmer metallic shades. So yeah, if you are into colorful eyeshadows, this is like a very good affordable option. And last but not the least, I got 2 minimalist products. Now as you guys know, I have been a fan of minimalist. Even though I've heard they are a mix of hit and miss, like some products are really good, some are bad, but I tend to check the reviews very thoroughly and then go ahead and buy it. So whatever I have tried from minimalist till now, I have liked everything, and that is the vitamin C niacinamide alpha arbutin, and got the oat moisturizer, the Cepicam one. I absolutely love it. I'm currently using that every single day. Of trying more minimalist products. Now this one is the Tranexamic 3% plus HPA serum. The ingredients, it has water as the main ingredient, then oat kernel extract, tranexamic acid, which is the 3rd ingredient. So it's very important when a product claims to have that as an active ingredient, it is in the first top 5 in the ingredients list. And this is basically meant for hyperpigmentation, like if you have melasma, acne scars, or any form of hyperpigmentation, like I have a little bit of it around my mouth. With regular skincare, it has faded quite a lot, but I still have it a little bit. So this will work very good on any sort of pigmentation. Many people have a pigmentation here, like the sun damage here. So basically this helps with melanin transfer and prevents any UVB damage and works on any sort of hyperpigmentation. And this also has mandelic acid and hydroxyphenoxypropionic acid, and I've heard a lot of good things about tranexamic acid, so I wanted to give tranexamic acid a try. Tranexamic is a very difficult word to say. Product is the Minimalist Multi-Peptide Serum. This has a lot of good peptides, including Metrexyl 3000. This is 7% Metrexyl 3000. And it also has a lot of other good peptides. Peptides are very good for the skin to basically build the thickness and collagen of the skin and make your skin look softer, younger, plumper. It says for firmer, younger looking skin, because basically it helps in increasing the collagen production of your skin. I absolutely loved everything I got. Paula's Choice is obviously my favorite, and I wanted to try these 2 minimalist products since a long time. and I also got the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and finally I will try the Swiss Beauty products. I love the lipstick, it is super comfortable on the lips, and these are of course my favorite. This is a repurchase and I'm going to try more shades in this because I love how Swiss Beauty is like super affordable. That's about it. I included all the screenshots, so I'll also include all the links in the info box below, and I'm super excited to give all this a try, and don't forget to participate in the giveaway. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.